Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I will talk about that how you can make a Windows installation disk from your Linux computer. Now you know about the Windows operating system. Yes, of course I like Linux more than Windows, but sometimes you need Windows operating system to install, and due to this you need an bootable pendrive or bootable USB drive for the Windows installation. Now in maximum cases the most popularly used tool is Rufus for the Windows installation. Okay, but unfortunately Rufus is only available in Windows system. So there is no system in Linux so that it can make a bootable USB drive for Windows. Now other bootable pendrive making tools are not enough or not updated with the latest Windows ISO image. So in this video I will talk about the WoeUSB. Now the new version of WoeUSB is the WoeUSB-ng, and with this you can easily create Windows installation disk. So it's very easy. Now I will show you guys how to do it in Ubuntu or Debian based distros, and also in the Arch system, and also in the Fedora based systems. Okay, so stick to this video. If you are new to my channel, then of course subscribe my channel and keep connected. So this is the GitHub page of the WoeUSB-ng, and you can see that. I will put the link in the description. And now the installation process for Arch based distribution. One command line is enough to install the package. Okay, and this is the command. Okay, currently I'm using the big Linux. It is Arch based. Other Arch based distros are Manjaro OS, Garuda Linux, Archman. Okay, and many other distros are there. Okay, and also you can install through the graphical package manager, that is the PAMAC, and I'm opening that right now. Well, you can see that. All right, so here you can search WoeUSB-ng. You can see that this is the package and it is in the OR repository. All right, so you have to just click build and then apply, and then all things will be done. Okay, just click apply. So these packages will be installed. Password. All right, so you can see it is downloading all the packages and it will be installed. For more detail you can click here and you can see all the commands here. All right, so it is now installed successfully. So to open, you just type WoeUSB and it will be opened, and this is the graphical user interface. So first of all you have to choose the ISO image. Okay, I have already inserted my USB drive of 8 GB. Okay, and you can see that here that it is DevSDB. Okay, minimum you should use at least 8 GB pen drive. Okay, because Windows installation ISO is really bigger. Okay, yeah, almost greater than 4 GB generally. Okay, so first of all let's go to that path where it is located. Okay, so this is my Windows 10 ISO and I have selected it. All right, also you can create this disk from already if you have some DVD, so you can also do that. And this is the target device, so here I have to install it. Now you can use NTFS. Okay, because if your ISO image is bigger than the 4 GB, then you should use this NTFS option. Yes, because in the FAT32 file system, the maximum 4 GB file can be copied. Okay, and greater than that it is not possible to copy. So you must use this NTFS, and other options you can keep default. And now you have to click here and then install, and it will take some minutes to install properly.